Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's make some jalapeno poppers. A different one, this one. Okay, so I found this really nice, for me, very large, the largest jalapenos I've ever seen. I'm cutting them into a Tango Joe bowl, removing the seeds and the membranes inside. And then I've got some regular blue cheese, Danish blue cheese. And then I've got some homemade chocolate. I'm gonna make a video tempering chocolate once I've figured it all out. This is a little bit too bitter to eat as it was, so I'm using it for other things. Okay, so I'm cutting 2 small pieces, mixing them with the cheese, and then I've got some regular store-bought bacon. 1 slice per each. Wrapping them up 20 minutes in the DeLonghi air fryer, full blast on the top, nothing on the bottom. And after that, it was time to taste them. There we go, dark chocolate, blue cheese and jalapeno popper with bacon. Very, very hot and very, very hot. But the flavors, oh wow, that went really well together. You should give this a try. Add a little bit of chocolate to your cooking. It's never a bad idea. I have to try a little bit more. Really nice. 20 minutes full blast DeLonghi, only above power, so any air fryer would work. Thank you for watching. Bye.